Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the Ann Clark Company for sending me these fall cookie cutters. I am so looking forward to making fall cookies. As a child, the best memories I had were with my grandmother and my mother making cookies and baking and cooking. And it was always so much fun to be in the kitchen, and especially after they were done, tasting the good cookies. This set comes with a recipe book. How neat is that? It gives you the recipe for sugar cookies, gingerbread cookies, royal icing, and buttercream icing, which is really nice if you're learning to bake and cook. And she also has a little leaflet of all her products. But the thing I like about this little set is just ready for the fall. It has the little wheelbarrow. It has 3 sizes of pumpkins. And it has the little truck, which I just love. There we go. And they have a nice, it's not too sharp, but it's a little sharp edge that's easy to press into your cookie dough and make it easy to press out your cookies. And I just can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. I have my cookie dough ready to go, and so we'll take a look at how this works. I have my cookie dough all rolled out. I have 3 pumpkins here, pumpkin cookie cutters. I have my wheelbarrow here and my little truck. And you want to remember, when you're cutting cookies, there is a sharp edge, so you want to press down on the dough and then maybe take a spatula or knife to come up with the cookie dough and put it in your pan. And you know what the nice thing about baking cookies is, with your children or anybody, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be fun. So I would highly recommend that you just have fun making your cookies. These are the fall set of cookie cutters, and I'm looking forward to decorating them, plus eating them. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.